Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I've got this interesting little 30mm, 5mm shackle main line brass padlock. I've never heard of it before. If anyone knows any details, if you can let me know in the comments. Did a bit of research and didn't really come up with anything. Pretty wide keyway, so I'm going to go in with a bit of protection down the bottom. That does nothing, that just stops me binding on the core down there. Going in with top of the keyway. I did do a bit of this. See if the shackle moved. It does, which is always good. Looks like it's on a bit of copper or something. Gonna go in with my Jason Carlson beautiful hybrid timber and acrylic. It's a bit awkward with that there. Alright, just going to go through and see if I've got any binders. A little click, a little click. Another click. Just going up and down the stack. Another click. Pretty heavy tension. Another click. That's a good click. Another click. Just giving them little nudges. Try not to overset anything. Just don't know how crusty this is in there. I get something stuck up in the chamber, it might not come back down. Keep losing my grip. Let's try a different position. These little ones are hard to hold, especially when they've got a bit of sharp tin attached. I haven't even put a pick in this one yet, so this is going to be a first for both of us. I think I've got movement. Oh, that moved heaps. But is it open? Or is it stuck? Because that's big movement on the core. Let's just look at that. Let's find out what's going on. I don't want to lose that tension. So let's just stick this in. And try and pull on the shackle. Oh, right. That's open. Excellent. I'll get rid of that now. Wow, that's a bit rusty. Quite rusty, crusty in there. But that was fun. I'm glad we got to open that together. That's the Main Line, little 30mm brass padlock. Thanks for joining us. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.